Bonjour friends, I hope you're doing great today, and I would like to share one little thing what just started happening on the Volvo. And I started noticing that a couple weeks ago actually, and ignored a little bit, and it started getting worse and worse. I'll show you. Can you hear that sound? It's your transmission shifter lock solenoid activating. What it does, it just allows you to shift from park into the gear, and sometimes I notice I need to work with the brake pedal to get that solenoid unlock the shifter, and yeah, that's not fun when you, especially at the gas station, and then you cannot shift like so. You can shift on, go in reverse and put back, and then you might want to do it again. You push the brake pedal and nothing happened, you're just stuck. Well, that is one thing. And another thing, I have the message here. There's a information center is on most of the Volvos, and it's a brake switch malfunction, somehow something was like that. And also I had an engine line over here with a P0571 engine code, which means it's brake switch A circuit issue. Okay, let's turn the vehicle off like so. I would like to make a short video, don't just try to explain everything, and if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below. But thing is, when you have not a permanent fault, it's probably your switch, and you also will check for voltage at the hot side of the wire, and check the resistance on the switch and make sure. But we have another switch like that. It's made by Volvo, it's original part, and yeah, see if it will help. Okay, first of all, I would like to show you where that little guy located. It's under the steering column. Okay, if you follow me, you see your steering column. There's your brake pedal at the top of the brake pedal leverage. That's your brake switch. It's what activates your brake lights, and also it controls the cruise control system, and sends a signal to the transmission lock solenoid. And transmission lock solenoid, it prevents transmission leverage accidentally be shifted from parked into the reverse and from drive into the reverse, and so. And it only activates when vehicle is in park, and when you push the brake pedal, and this is what is inside of here. This solenoid is good, and there's not an issue with another solenoid. Plus it's all related to the position of your ignition key, and right now it's off, it's not activating, and so. And there's another little switch which controls that circuit, depends where the shifter leverage is, it on park or drive or reverse, and tells the system to activate or deactivate the solenoid. But when you notice, you push the pedal, and then you need to work it with that for a little while to get the solenoid be energized. That brake control switch is normally burning out around 150 200 clicks. Our vehicle has way more than that, and yeah, we'll consider that as an issue, but we'll check the circuit as well. This is a very tight spot for filming, but I will try to do the best as I can. Way how you remove the switch, you pull this white plastic sleeve all the way up, like so, and then you squeeze and press it on those two little knobs, and then pull it out and it should come off. A bracket where we want to put our switch, and it's only can be put in one position. Locate this little L-shaped plastic angle to that. This is the same spot on the bracket, like so. Okay, as I said, yeah, you put it in a same position which it came off. There's no other way to put it. You see it's just all the way in to the plastic notch. And you put it electric connector back, like so. It works. When you push the brake, it closes the circuit and tells your transmission when it's in park to unlock the solenoid, and you will be able to shift from park to reverse, the neutral and drive as well, and from drive to reverse when you apply the brake. Here we go. I think we got it, and it's how you replace the brake switch solenoid on the Volvo. The vehicle is running, and every time when I push the brake, you can hear that clicking sound. It means that brake switch is operating properly, and yeah, it just took us about 10 minutes to get it done. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, comments, and so, just ask. And yeah, hey, have a good day.